Ikea.
What happened to your trousers?
No.
Basically, my mum didn't do up the top of my thermos cup, and I had my tea in it, and then the car jogged and I spilled my tea, and now I'm wearing Heather's jumper to cover over the wetness. Looks like I wet myself. So yeah, we're at Ikea, we're just waiting in the queue.
It's 11 o'clock.
We're hoping we might still get the breakfast. It stops serving at 11 o'clock.
Yes.
Otherwise it'd be meatballs.
I don't
Fish
like
and chips.
I'd have to have fish and chips.
Because we're having that tomorrow.
Emma. Some Ikea breakfasts. Yum yum. Go away. Who else absolutely loves this kitchen?
I'm showing off what she made.
Emma. You alright?
I think we're done with this thing.
You alright?
Yep.
Shout out to my new bag. Floor's lava. 5, 4, 3, 2. Go away. Floor is lava. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Floor is lava. I'm on the toilet. I really like circle mirrors is what I got my camera out to say. Like, isn't that such a cute little section to do your makeup in? And I also really like dark rooms.
When doing your makeup and just sit here with a circular mirror and do your... I love it.
Ow, Emma.
Sorry.
Reading the way like Ikea dudes. Are you recording? Floor is like lava. What? Floor is lava. Go away. Floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm not on the floor, I'm on the carpet. So we're on this trolley thing where we're coming to do the little thing where you like jack out. No, where you pick up the stuff. Emma's the thing we're buying until we actually get the stuff. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I'm staying on here until we buy the thing. She's like, oh, so, here's our.
So that was it.
Here's our cupboard, right? Turn it off now.